Hey guys, good morning. This is the night creation. Welcome back here into my kitchen. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do today, I am going to make a shrimp with lobster sauce. Alright guys, so what's this? What I am doing. So here's are my ingredients. First, I'm going to make the lobster sauce. Chicken bouillon into the water, oyster sauce, sesame oil, pepper, and the cornstarch, and just give a stir. Guys, so let's start cooking. Add olive oil into the pan, the shrimp. Alright guys, so the shrimp is turned into pink. Add the garlic, ginger, and give it a stir. Add the sauce mixture. Guys, so the sauce is become clear and shiny. Add the eggs, green onion,